Hi to everyone. Good day to all of you. You are welcome back to the Talent Tech YouTube channel, the most trusted tech channel in YouTube. Today, I brought you another precocious solution for making selection more accurately using the Photoshop. Without further delay, we shall go to the work. So, I open the image that I need to make the selection. In this image, I need to make a selection of this model. In Photoshop, you may have plenty of different ways to make a selection. But have you ever thought that you would be able to make a better selection with the brush tool? Select the brush tool. First, use the D keyboard shortcut to set the colors to default mode and again press the X keyboard shortcut to switch that color to the foreground. Now, I go with Q shortcut key to use the selection option using the brush tool. Here, you have to paint the area that you need to subtract from your selection with the brush. I will paint this unwanted area. Here you will see the painted area get pink in color. The area that becomes pink in color is the area that is deselected from your selection. No worry, if the model area you want painted with pink while you paint an unwanted area. As you can simply get the selection back by switching the foreground color to white and brushing the specific area of the model which is deselected mistakenly. Now you see the deselected area is being selected back. Please note that the brush tool functions as the same way as that of layer mask option at the selection occasions also. While the back level subtract the selection, white color works on adding to the selection. You can zoom the file, resize the brush tool and make the selection most accurately using the option. Once done, press the Q key to see the selected area. Once done with the selection accurately, go with the Q option to get the selection and press the layer mask option. Then the unwanted area will be masked and the selected area will be invisibility. Hope you will use the option in the Photoshop to make a perfect selection in your future needs. Don't forget to press the like button if this video is helpful to you. And don't forget to leave us a subscribe and a bell icon press too if you need to receive notification on our new video releases. Have a pleasant day. Goodbye.